SBA Publications.
Hello little children, how are you all? I hope you are doing very well at your homes. I am Vedika and I am here with another very important chapter for you little ones. And it is safety. It is about your safety. And where? At home. First we will discuss about your safety at your homes. आपको अपने हाउस में क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, दैट इज सेफ फॉर यू और नॉट सेफ फॉर यू, आज हम वो डिस्कस करेंगे. ऑलराइट, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. फर्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस डू नॉट डू दीज एक्टिविटीज. कौन सी एक्टिविटीज आपको नहीं करनी चाहिए. Look, this boy is jumping on the sofa, which you should not do. Either on the bed, either on the sofa. आपको jumping नहीं करनी चाहिए. Why? क्योंकि आप गिर सकते हैं. You can fall down and you may hurt yourself. आपको चोट लग सकती है. Right? Next we have this boy. Look, what is he doing? He is playing with an electricity board. और यहाँ we can see that this boy is being shocked by the current. इस little one को current लग गया, right? And why? Because he was playing with electricity. You should never play with electricity. Never touch anything that is connected to a wire or a plug. Alright? Now we can see these two little children are playing with a matchstick. This is very wrong. You should never play with a matchstick. You can burn yourself with it. Okay? Never play with a matchstick. Be careful. Okay? Now we can see these two brothers are fighting, hitting each other. You should never hit your brothers and sisters. Okay? Never fight with your brothers and sisters. कभी भी fighting house में आपको नहीं करनी चाहिए. Okay? Why? Because आपको इससे भी चोट लग सकती है. Okay? Next we can see this boy is playing with the fire. We can see a lot of fire is here and he can burn himself. So never play with fire. Okay? You should also not play with any knife in the kitchen. आपको किचन में भी नाइफ से, किसी भी ग्लास की चीज से नहीं खेलना चाहिए. Okay? And here you can see a question is given. Do you play with knife? क्या आप नाइफ से खेलते हैं? मैं तो नहीं खेलती. I will never play with a knife. I can cut myself with it. That is why I never play with a knife. You should also not play with sharp objects. Okay? Now, you have to write yes or no for the following things you can touch. आपको yes या फिर no write करना है उन pictures पे जिनको आप touch कर सकते हैं या फिर नहीं कर सकते. जिन pictures को आप touch नहीं कर सकते उनको आप no write करेंगे. For example, knife. क्या आप नाइफ को टच कर सकते हैं, नाइफ से प्ले कर सकते हैं? नो, यू कैन नॉट. देन वी हैव फायर. इट इज ऑल्सो नो, यू कैन नॉट प्ले विद फायर. देन वी हैव अ फुटबॉल एंड यस यू कैन प्ले विद अ फुटबॉल. ओके? नाउ वी हैव सेफ्टी इन प्लेग्राउंड. Till now we discussed about your safety at your home. Now we will be discussing about your safety in the playground. Okay? So what should you do in the playground? Let's just see. Do not do these activities. ये वाली activities आपको नहीं करनी चाहिए. You should not play wrong with the rides. Okay? And you should be very careful with your rides. Okay? कभी भी खराब झूले पे आपको नहीं झूलना है या फिर किसी भी झूले पे आपको without your parents hang नहीं होना है. Then we have this boy sitting on a ball. You should never sit on a ball because ball is never stable. Ball stable नहीं होती है. That means you can fall down from a ball. Okay? So never sit on a ball. Next we have these boys who are hanging on a very huge ride. Right? आपको ऐसे बिना किसी बड़े के राइड्स पर नहीं जाना चाहिए. Then we can see these two boys on a slide. The second boy is pushing the first boy. And this is very wrong to do in the playground. You both can hurt yourself. कभी भी किसी भी राइड में किसी को पुश नहीं करना चाहिए एंड आपको 1 by 1 राइड्स को एंजॉय करना चाहिए. ऑलराइट, नेक्स्ट वी कैन सी दीज बॉयज. दिस बॉय इज सिटिंग ऑन द ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन ऑन अ seesaw. This boy is sitting on the right direction, but this one is sitting on the wrong one. He should face the first boy. Okay? आपको किसी भी राइड को गलत तरीके से enjoy नहीं करना है, otherwise you will hurt yourself. Now you have to tick correct the right for correct activity. जो एक्टिविटी आपको करनी चाहिए उस पर आपको टिक करना है. For example, आपको एक्सरसाइज करनी चाहिए. Yes, you should. You should help older people. Yes, you should. You should water the plants. You should take care of the plants. Yes, you should. But should you fight with your friends? No, you should not. Okay? So, this was the chapter about your safety. Next time you play at your home or in the playground, you have to take care of the given activities. Alright? That's it for today, children. Take care of yourselves and learn the safety rules in case you are in a playground or at your home. Be safe. Alright? I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care of the activities that I just taught you about. Bye-bye.